everybody, it's Christine up today with a layout for the scrap room. I'm using the Flavors of the Month kit, and I am using this gorgeous vintage winter collection from Simple Stories. Bear with me a little bit. My camera angle is not great all the time because I'm working with a brand new phone, yay me, but also have to make some adjustments accordingly. So you can see I'm starting things off, basing it on the sketch for this month and tearing some paper to use on the sides. I debated back and forth which paper to use. I have the patterned paper kit as well as the embellishment kit that I'm working with on this, and so I've got a few more options than just the kit, but there was so many good papers in this kit that I really definitely struggled choosing which ones I wanted. So ultimately I decided to go with the blue base, a blue pattern paper base, and then I wanted to bring in some of the tree landscapey paper for the outside edges, and then I'm going to work in some of this green also, and kind of tuck it underneath to just bring in another color, really. Like I said, you really couldn't go wrong with this collection. There were so many good options. But I do love in the end how these ones came together. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get some layers built up. You can see I used that polka dot paper that has kind of a light brown mocha color to it. I'm using that underneath my picture. I'm also going to tuck the chipboard frame, which the frame is oriented to be horizontal and even has writing and a deer and stuff on it. I just cut that off and I'm tucking the frame underneath, so it's going to add some dimension, but I'm not going to have it actually framing the picture from above, but using it down below. Looking through some of the ephemera to see what I would like to use from that. Going to definitely use some little bits and pieces to tuck behind, add some additional layers in there behind my picture. So quite possibly one of my very favorite scrapbooking products is the foam stickers from Simple Stories. So I'm always excited when she includes these. So I'm going to use them today, and I'm going to put 3 big word areas. They will help to capture my picture. Also gives me a chance to add some other areas of embellishing on the layout. So I love the Wonder one. The Winter one, I'm not so sure. I may switch that one out here in a minute. And then I'm going to just add on embellishments, both from my ephemera as well as from the foam stickers, combining those to basically just create little embellishment clusters in each of those areas. So I have decided I do not like that one, so I'm going to pull that one up, which is a little bit of a pain, but since I'm covering it up with something big again, I'm not too worried about if it left anything behind or not. And mostly I did this just, this looks more cohesive to me. That one just didn't seem like the greatest fit right there. So one of the things I like about these sheets of stickers is you get a good variety of both size and words and icons. And so, you know, I've got those little hearts that I can use, but I've also got some bigger ones. And of course the words worked in there. They do a really nice job of providing a variety of things for your layout within. I mean, it comes in a 2 sticker set or a 2 sheet set if you buy both the whole thing, but like in the kit she included 1, but even with 1 you can see how far it really stretches to make the layout. That is primarily what I'm also going to work in some enamel dots, which is pretty much typical for me. I usually work those in at some point just to add another pop of color. And sorry again about the camera layout on this one. New phone, and I'll adjust accordingly from here on out. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Be sure to visit the scrap room. There will be brand new kits coming out on March 1st, and she has sneak peeks going up now, if not now, in the next couple of days. So be sure to keep an eye on that, and we will see you again next time.